First play by Nicole Emilio and Jairus Aquino ang ating unang tambalan sa Univercada. Alright, maraming salamat po. You may now take your seats. Later, we will have a group photo with all of our cast and director. She is the ultimate socialera and fashion-forward queen, while he's the charming doctor who stole hearts in the fourth installment, Avenues of the Diamond. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on Aubrey Caraan and Lance Carr as Sam and Clover. Salamat po to our dear friends from the press na nagpunta at ang ating mga fans dito. Thank you so much. Next up, sila ang MVP ng fourth at ang cheerleader na nagbigay ng saya at kilig sa bawat eksena. The energy is back and so is the romance. Let's welcome Hyacinth Caliano and Gab Lagman as Elise and Cedric. Alright, thank you so much. We will have more chances of winning later, okay? Maraming salamat po. Next up ay ang flight attendant na minahal natin lahat at nagpakita sa atin na walang hangganan ang pagmamahal kahit sa ilalim ng lupa o sa gitna ng turbulence. So let's all welcome our Rihanna, Krisha, Biyahe! This guy is serving confidence, intellect, and undeniable charm. The sharp-witted lawyer na minahal ni Luna. Mula sa pinagtidaang ring in España. Give it up for Calix, Marco Gallo. Alright, at ngayon, narito na ang bagong kwento ng ating aabangan. He is charming, talented, at dream guy ng lahat. Pero sa kabila ng fame at success, isang tao lang ang mundo niya. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Wilbert Ross as Arkin. Pero laging nauna ang iba bago ang sarili. The mom of the Univercada na iiwas sa spotlight pero hindi sa pagmamahal. Please welcome Bea Binene as Via. To join Arkin and Via for your group photo dito po. Form a straight line po, no? Yes. And of course, we will have one more chance towards the end of our program. Alright, let's just wait for you to be your formation, okay? Alright. Sige po. Okay, Univercada, please look towards the center of the room. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po towards the left side of the room para sa ating mga dear friends from the press. Thank you so much for joining us here this afternoon. And finally, towards the right side naman po of the room para sa ating mga Univercada fans. O, diba? Alright, maraming salamat po. You may now all take your seats. Thank you so much. Opa. Ang daming opa, no? Diba? Oo nga. Uy, di pa to tayo nagtatapos. Save niyo muna yung mga bosses nyo. Okay. And of course, para makiselebrate with all of us, please roll VTR.
Hi guys, I'm Luna Valeria. Luna Valeria. Just kidding. Sorry, wala ko dyan sa media con nyo ngayon. You know naman, I'm working, girls. But I'm really proud sa team natin, sa family natin, especially to Bea and Wilker. Alam niyo naman na nandito lang ako to support you guys and you know, to make you happy on set. And so, ayun lang. Galingan niyo sa mga sagot niyo at magpakilig kayo, magpa-fanservice kayo malala. Actually, hindi nyo kailangan mag-fanservice kasi kahit naman walang fans, magsa-service pa rin kayo. Okay,
Wilbert Bea, congratulations sa GSOT. I'm hoping the best for you guys para ma-enjoy nyo lagi yung journey na ito, magkatrabaho kayo and marami kayong mapapasaya and more power as always.
Itong University Series, itong Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, it's a really different universe, it's a different story, it's different characters. And I hope na ma-touch din nito yung mga viewers at maka-affect din ito. At hindi na ito actually, the whole series, the whole University Series, sa mga viewers in a good way. Kasi alam ko po na at nababasa ko talaga na kumbaga naging malaking parte ng buhay nila ang University Series. And I hope na itong adaptation, it's something good. It's something that will remind them of a beautiful memory. Ayun.
Yeah, so I'll be playing the role of Chandra Kyle. I've been doing it for how many years now? Pero Chandra Kyle Lopez and love interest din ni Nicole, which is she'll be playing Clara. And brother din ni Haya. So basically, yun lang naman. And after their book, kami naman ni Nicole. So the final and last book. So yeah, getting there. Medyo nakakaba kasi ito na yung sign na kami na yung next. Pero still enjoying yung part na wala pa. So medyo kalmado pa. Pero papunta na tayo sa sa sad part. So yeah, ayun.
My role is going to be Calix Jace Martinez, and as everybody knows in the present, he's a student not of this group, not of their group, pero galing Ateneo naman. Kasama ko naman dun sina Lance and Andre Frost, and in the future naman, in the present, I'm a lawyer. So I don't know yet if there's going to be any lawyer scene. There's probably going to be more school scenes, definitely.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ako po dito si Sebastian Vincent Camero, best friend po ni Arkin and then group po ng Valeria High. So we're gonna start sa book na to kung paano po kami nag-meet ng high school. And then in the latter part, gonna be love interest of me, Ellie. And then gonna be an engineer. Okay.
Hi everyone. My character name here is Clyde J. Ramirez, the oldest one in the group. So yeah, I'm a doctor, and as the eldest, I think I'm gonna be in my college era. I think in Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. So also the love interest of Samantha Vera in this book. That's all.
Hi everyone, I'm playing the role of Samantha Marine Vera, the social butterfly of the Barkada. Katulad na sinabi po ni Gab, part po kami ng Valeria High nung high school. So mag-start yung friendship namin doon. Actually, different year kami. Like, older kami ni Krisha here kaysa sa kanila. And then, yeah, in the present, model naman si Samantha. Thank you.
she was here. She's like, I believe, freshly entering, high school. She's gonna be super young, but in the future, when she goes to college, she becomes a cheerleader, and also she becomes the CEO of her family company. I'm the little sister of Sean.
High school against
Hey. Ako po si Krisha dito. Ako po si Ashana Kim Fernandez. And they call me Yana. Sa college days nila, kilala siya as the feisty one, the wild one. During high school days, palaban pa din siya, pero di ba masagana yung peche? Kasi high school pa lang sila. And dito po,
high school pala.
Malalaman natin kung paano naging mag-best friend si Sam, yung character ni Sam, and paano naging magbabarkada yung Valeria High, si Bea, Via, Sam, si Selvi, Kiera, and Luna. Yun, kami yung magkakakilala dito. At si Arkin! Sorry na, Cassandra. Ayun.
Ayun po, hello. I play the role of Kiera Inares. And na-mention naman po nila, this is where you're gonna see kung paano kami magiging magkaibigan. Dito niyo po makikita kung gaano kami kakulit kay Via. Kami ni Luna and ni Kiera. So it is a very exciting and fresh, energetic energy na makikita niyo sa season na to. So, ayun po.
Yung sa amin po, may specific topic na tinatakil about sa love teams. So, yun po ata yung unique talaga sa Golden Scenery Tomorrow. And then sa amin lang po ata yung may high school scene. So, mas madami po parang kulitan, fun, or parang nakakatawang mga eksena. Feel ko yun po yung kaibahan ng book namin sa kanila.
And in all fairness po kay Guay, yung writer, si Guay Salubes, nung ginawa niya, yung pagkakagawa niya po ng buong university series, kada book, kada series, iba po talaga yung storya, iba yung issues na tinatackle, iba yung conflict, iba yung hugot ng bawat karakter. So, I wouldn't say na lahat ng story, lahat ng libro magkakapareho. Kasi lahat talaga iba-ibang topic, iba-ibang storyline, iba-ibang mga issues and nila. Pero yun nga, dito po sa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, yun, number one, yung may establish yung high school life. So meron high school, may college, tapos magkakaroon pa ng present. Tapos, more barkada scenes, kasi I think in the previous books, we weren't able to see that much of the barkada scenes na aside from the book 1, yung Reina de España. Pero dito, ayun, yung kulitan, yung fun, yung youth, mararamdaman mo talaga, yung high school life mo, ganyan. And siguro yung isa pang it's very relevant, especially here in the Philippines, diba? Yung mga love team culture, cancel culture, yung mga ganon. Doon matatakal din dito sa librong to. Yun po.